The homie Christian didn't want me to show you guys his build, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. Damn, su pinche madre. He's gonna get some custom wheels done for his is300. Check it out. We put on my wheels just so we can get the sizes around the same. We're trying to get around the same spec. Just a little, like an inch smaller and like half an inch in the front. Nice.
Take the bumper off. I was been there for like an hour taking the rear bumper off. So with this, what is that?
Oh, they have primer. They're primer already. We're gonna have to redo this. The bag fucked it up. Pretty happy.
Very happy.
You happy, Christian?
Very. It's just all these parts are gonna look good and the rest of the car's gonna look great.
The rest of the car's gonna look like shit. Hell yeah, picking up the tires for Christian's new wheels. Yeah, perro. Some expensive ass lug nuts. You're a baller, pinche Christian, boy. When I grow up, boy.
Who wants to buy my wheels? I want those.
When I grow up, boy, I want to be like just like you. Christian's already being negative on his own wheels. They're gonna fit, Christian. They're gonna fit like shit, but they're gonna fit. We're gonna show you guys real quick how they look. Uy, pinche Chris, no van a quedar, they're not gonna fit. So these are 17s and they are step-lipped to 18s. Why are you stressing it, Christian? They're gonna fit, wait, they're gonna fit fine, way, I promise. I measure them.
They're definitely not gonna fit.
No trust, bro.
Nah, I'm just like whatever. Like, I don't know, whatever. They're already here.
Good? Alright, now we're gonna try to put the tires. We're gonna be extra careful because we don't want to scratch these brand new wheels. So today we're gonna put the kit on and then we're gonna take off my wheels and then we're gonna install his wheels. That's basically it. We're gonna transform this beast. It's gonna look sick. Check it out. Gives it that track look, even though it might not see the track. Drop it, let's see. Oh, fucking perfect Fitment way. Hey, I told you, way. I stayed in school.
The fronts, the backs were the ones I was worried about, not the fronts.
He's gonna be fine, way. I measured them, way.
That's why I'm worried.
All right, guys, the moment of truth. This is where it all goes down. I think we're good, Christian. I think my measurements were. Go for it, Chris. Oh! Right on the money, way.
Just the camber is
Wait.
gonna be right on the money.
Right on the money. I knew it, Christian. Hey, wait, I'm always right. Wait, hey, stay in school, pinche Christian, eh? Hey, this is why you took me, huh? Hey, this is why you took me, wait. Hey?
Right on the freaking money with the when I just the camber is gonna be right.
Christian, when I say wait, trust me, wait, you gotta trust me, wait. Hey? Shit, Christian. You gotta have faith in the Philly, wait.
Nice.
Fuck. Wait, no, hey, wait. Fuck. Christian, wait. Me debes una pinche hamburguesa, güey. Alright, so Christian got new wheels. Is this you? No mames, this is fucking clean. So what kind of work are these?
T7Rs, T7Rs, something like that.
And these are 18 by what? 10 and a half?
10 and a half all around plus 22.
On. And then check out the interior. Let's start with the back. So you got a roll bar on. You got you made it yourself, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, somebody's calling me. And then the interior. Check out these sick ass mirrors. APRs. I know for a fact you can't see shit on those, but they look dope. And then he's got some D&D bucket seats. Chingon, chingon. Cool little Mishimoto knob. You got an Alteza dash or cluster. Pretty sick, way, pretty sick. Fucking 10,000 bucks later, huh? I know shit for this car ain't cheap, way. Oh, and then check out right here. The sick ass exhaust. Is that a Tomei dog? Oh no, it's a Grady. Check out those arms. No mames, pinche Chris, baller shit right here. Some baller shit right here. Hey, güey, ¿el bumper lo pintaste? You painted it? Hey, güey. Oh shit. Shit, Chris. Eh? What? You painted it too?
No, you can see it runs through the front bumper.
Oh, a ver, vamos a ver. Oh, la madre, güey. Let's see if I can focus it. Pretty dope, pretty dope.